Hello, I'm Jerry Ford, the beer review guy. I got a comparison video to do. This is for Jeffrey Marsh. Jeffrey Marsh is always making requests, and they're not all serious, but and some of them are hard for me to accomplish, because some of the stuff he's asking me to do is hard to attain. I can't find everything. So this one here, he goes through my videos like very detailed to see if I've done certain comparison videos, and surprisingly enough, back when I was doing the comparison videos, I didn't do a comparison of Miller Lite and Natural Lite. So I'm able to accomplish one for him. So here it is. I've been weed eating today, so you might, I don't know if you can see it or not, I got chunks of grass on my glasses. And so, okay, I haven't even drank any water, which I should have drank some water, but I've been really busy outside. So right now, this really sounds good. I'm not a light beer drinker, but I do appreciate and have a respect for light beers. So this is a nice time to do this. It's nice out. So this is a 4.2. The Natural Lite's 4.2, and the Miller Lite is a 4%. Okay, let's use this plain one for the Natural Lite. And then my lettered one for the Miller Lite. Poured a better head. You saw I poured them pretty much the same. The head's a little bit thicker on the Miller Lite. The colors, though, are identical, like a light gold, little straw kind of color. The Natural Lite has a nice aroma. Smells sweet. Has a little maltiness. Almost a little flowery, maybe a little floral, a little fruity. Smells really good. All right, let's get a drink of this. Light to medium carbonation burn. Get a nice sweet, excuse me, almost fruity just in the taste. I've never really referred to beers that wasn't an actual fruity beer, to be fruity tasting. But I've had people say that it tastes, that some of these beers have that fruit kind of taste. Not necessarily like apple, because that's kind of like in the depths of a malt liquor, but yet sometimes means some beers have gone bad when they get to tasting like that. But kind of a light, fruity kind of taste. Pretty flavorful. Have that a light barley malt characteristic. Okay. Okay, so now on the Miller Lite, it has a light sweetness, but yet the barley malts are a little bit more forward on this one. Yeah, this one's more like a very, very light fruitiness, but it has this one has the more sweet, white bready kind of an aroma. Like the medium carbonation burn on that one too. Light barley malts on the taste. You get them more on the aroma. This is not as sweet as the natural light. Let me see. Yeah, natural light appears to be a little bit more sweeter than the Miller Lite. Yeah, so you get more of a fruitiness on the aroma. You don't really get like a whole lot of a fruitiness on the taste, because it's more kind of on the taste. It goes into the characteristic of the breadiness, like the Miller Lite. What to say on the Miller? Inside is a fine Pilsner beer brewed with the highest quality ingredients. We use choice hops from the Pacific Northwest as well as noble Saaz hops, and deliver more taste, aroma, with in color. Oh, excuse me. With only 96 calories per 12 ounce. Natural Light doesn't say anything except for brewed in America since 1977. I was 12 years old. I was 12 years old when Natural Light came out. They're real close. When I was reviewing a lot of these beers back in a couple 2 or 3 years ago, that's what I was finding is these light beers and even the other ones were really close, to the point where I almost couldn't come to a conclusion of which one I thought was better, or tastes better to me. This is real close to the same thing. So let me see. What I've been saying is this one here has a little bit more sweeter taste than the Miller Lite. Had a little bit more barley malt characteristic. Let me see. Oh, let me see if I'm going to stick with that. Yeah, okay. The barley malts is a little bit bigger in this one. Plus there's a little bit more flavor than the natural Lite. So I believe I would lean more toward the Miller Lite. How long has this one been around? Miller Brewing, established in 1855. Wow. So there you go. All right, Jeffrey, got one down. I got a, he wanted me to also do, because I had some Tecate left. I bought a 6-pack of them. He asked me to try to do some, because, you know, strangely enough, I didn't do a lot of beer battles with Tecate and other Mexican beers. I was very surprised when I looked in my vids. I think I did it with Modelo, but he mentioned Sol. Can I get Sol here? And I can. I got one. Excuse me. I got one of the 24-ounce cans. So instead of buying a 6-pack of Sol, I just got a big can of it. So that'll be one I can do for you. I got another comparison video to do for Justin. He wanted to see a Bud Light versus I can't remember the other one, but it was one I haven't done yet. So I'll be doing that one soon. But this just seemed like a good night to do this. It's nice out. Got a lot done. I was thirsty, craving a beer anyway, so got a lot to do around my house. A lot of projects coming up, trying to jump on some of them. Get kind of a head start. It's been kind of cold. I've been wearing this long sleeve blue shirt outside instead of using one of my jackets. I didn't want to get grass all over it, so it wasn't cold enough really to use the jacket. So this long sleeve shirt is pretty thick, so it's serving the purpose. Yeah, I'm still sticking with the Miller Lite, but they're both good. They're both drinkable. I mean, this one's a really good one too. So, I think that's it. I got some inside chores to do, so I better go. If you guys want to do like Jeffrey and Justin does, because a lot of times I don't have time to look and see which ones I've done, but if you can find beers that I haven't done a comparison video with, you know, the two particular ones. They gotta be something I can find though. So yeah, let me know. Maybe I can do. I like doing the comparison videos. They're pretty fun, but I mean they're not all that interesting because a lot of times they're like this. They're really hard to tell them apart. Like I don't know if I could do a blind taste test with this one. They're really so similar. I would really have to use my mind to focus. Okay, well, I'll end it there. Hope y'all enjoyed it. It's not really that interesting, but maybe you guys got a kick out of it. I don't know. But yeah, let me know if you find some that I haven't done a video, did a versus or comparison, I like to call them, video with, and see if I can accomplish it. All right, thanks for watching. I appreciate it, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.